this go right here. Beautiful. And just let this go. Beautiful. Wow. You feel a nice stretch up towards me. Okay. Let's go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Just let the body relax. Very good.
That's probably good.
Awesome. So you're really short on that left side. So I'm going to start right in this mid back, okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Just let it all go. Very good. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Beautiful. So I'm gonna lift your legs up, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go wide here. Hold that position for me. Are you able to lift them up? Perfect. I'm gonna push down. Resist my push. Resist, resist, resist.
Okay.
Perfect. Let's go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out and just relax here. Very good. There it is. Let's go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. I'm going to start by working out the muscles of this back here, okay?